the finest juices and berries not working for everybody. But girl, I got you. We here. I got you. So check it out.
That's my shit. That's my way. Do it like that and I'll repeat it. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. That's my shit. That's my way. Do it like.
Hey guys, it's your girl Ki. It's your girl KiDyeKi. Thank you for coming by and checking me out. But today, we're gonna go ahead and get into it. We're gonna go ahead and do it. I'm gonna talk to y'all about my top 3 favorite hair products to use. All right, y'all. I feel like everybody's hair regimen has to start somewhere, and there's a ground level to everything. And the ground level is the things that keep your hair good, you know, where you can go back to and your hair just pops back and it's back on go. Because you know your hair can be looking limp, you know, and it's not ready, it's not on go. So I'm here to get your hair back. So with all that being said, it comes down to your shampoo and your conditioner. Girl, what are you using? What's going on? Now, the conditioner I use is gonna be ORS. They have one for naturals, and as far as putting on my hair, I use this with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. I'll put it in my hair, let my hair drink it up, wear it for a couple hours, maybe even wear it overnight, just depending on how I'm feeling, you know. And it really, like, I can feel my hair just feeling softer, and it's feeling like less dry, and it doesn't feel hard, it doesn't feel straw-like. My hair really likes this, and it just eats this product up. And the crazy thing about this product is that you can use like a little bit. You don't have to use copious amounts of it for it to work. This has been lasting me for about a good, this is probably month 6, and that says a lot, because I use a little bit of this almost every day, even now that I have it like blowed out. It was a flat arm, but I guess this is more of a blown out look, but you know, it is what it is at this point. So, and adjacent to my conditioner, your girl gotta keep that hair strong, gotta keep that hair lasting long, you know. And it's just like, what gives your hair strength? That's protein. Most people used to use mayonnaise and eggs and stuff back in the day, but you know, there's other products that came out now that keeps your hair going and going. Going back to protein, I use what they call hydrolyzed protein, hydrolyzed wheat protein. Can you see that? Can you see that? Hydrolyzed wheat. All right. So if it doesn't come out clear, I'm gonna insert a picture. But the hydrolyzed wheat protein is hydrolyzed, meaning it's broken down into smaller molecules. Like other proteins that you use, like eggs and stuff, when you use that, they have bigger molecules that your hair can't really break down as fast, or it's harder to get in your hair to absorb it. So with this being hydrolyzed, aka broken down, your hair is able to absorb more of this and get what it really needs from that protein, so you can really feel it working on your hair. So if your hair snaps and you feel like it's breaking a lot, I would definitely recommend using like a protein treatment like once a month, you know. Or typically I use my hydrolyzed protein treatment every time I condition my hair, like deep condition my hair. I would definitely use my hydrolyzed protein liquid, and you can get this on Amazon, I believe. Amazon, that's where I got mine. If I can find the link, I'm gonna leave it below. Oh, and I had this for about a good 3 years, and I haven't even used like half the bottle. And the only reason why this is really empty is because I poured like this amount into another bottle, which I use as a spray bottle. So when I'm doing my deep condition, I just use a spray bottle and spray it on there. So for my shampoo, most people have like mixed views when it comes to shampoo. It's just like, okay, I want to get my hair clean, get my scalp clean, but I don't want to dry out my hair or strip my hair from their natural oils, because as a natural person, like whenever you're shampooing, you're literally stripping all of the natural oils from your hair at sometimes, depending on what type of shampoo you're using in how you shampoo your hair. So one thing I do so I can make sure I'm like just literally like scrubbing my scalp when I do use regular shampoo, because I use medicated shampoo for my scalp, is my shampoo bar. Okay, let me show you. Yes, this shampoo bar, I had this for a while. I had this for a long time. So every time I use this shampoo bar, I literally part my hair, scrub my scalp, and then just rub my fingers all through it and just scrub all whatever the buildup and stuff on my scalp is, and I go straight to my scalp. One good thing about this is an all vegan product. It moisturizes as well, and it's all natural. So if a little falls in your mouth, you can, I'm just playing, don't do that. I mean, it is hard times out here, but you know, this is not that video. So just looking at this, it has no sulfates, no parabens, and it smells really good. And it just leaves your hair and your scalp like just feeling so good. Okay, so this particular brand, it really like helps my hair and helps my scalp. Or if my hair is feeling like a little bit too much is on there, I would take this and like rub it on my hair and like take it in the shower and just rub it on there, let it suds up, because this one suds up. Like you can feel like it working. It like my hair loves it. Like from the scalp to the hair, because I usually don't shampoo my hair like as much. I usually do co-washes, but when it's time for a shampoo, I would like fill out my hair and be like, girl, you need to go ahead and get that shampoo, and I would just go in with it. And you can tell when something's working, especially for my hair. I have like a 4B type hairstyle, type hair texture pattern. I'm sorry, hair pattern. I have a 4B, 4A. And whenever I use this, like when I used to use products, my hair used to like shrink and go, like I can just feel it like shrink up to my hair, and it will be like almost standing up. But like after I start using those 3 products, like when I do them all 3 together, so that's deep condition, protein treatment, and shampoo, like my hair, like my curls, I can literally see them fall down. Like, not that they're getting looser, it's just like you can see it's being moisturized, it's being conditioned, it's being strengthened, and I can see like my individual ringlets like pop, and it goes to popping until shrinkage comes in and just all goes away. But we already know that struggle. But I want to keep this quick. I just want to give y'all a couple of my 3 top products. They've been my top products for years. It's gonna take somebody to knock them out the game. I don't know who it's gonna be, but those have been my 3. I always go back to. There's a couple other products that I use too. Y'all want to know about that? Let me know. Let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, so y'all can be a part of the charm crew. Every key needs her charm, so that's where y'all come in. And if y'all got some hair products that y'all use, y'all want to see me use, y'all want to see me test it out on somebody, let me know. Put it in the comment section. If y'all got something that y'all use every day, or some recipes or something, like I said before, let your girl know. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and exit out. It's been real. It's your girl Ki. See ya. Bye.
That's my way. Do it like